Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will be watching mukbangers consuming burgers. First up we have Nikocado Avocado, eating a large meal of Burger King while indulging in a huge portion of sauce. Let's get into it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, I do. I love cheese.
Next up we have the ASMR bro, with a tasty looking mukbang. He even has got triple cheeseburgers. How is he even going to fit his mouth around all that? I can't believe how this guy even managed to completely finish the whole meal. Like, that is epic. But I guess it looking so delicious helps. Now let's get into it.
I forgot to get a drink. Is actually super good.
Next up we have Chihun ASMR. I can't lie, the food looks awesome, so fresh and well displayed. He also managed to finish the whole meal while looking very satisfied, cause that's just too much food for me, to be honest. Up now is ASMeRi Eats, with a tasty looking mukbang. Those burgers look so full and tender, and same with the fries. Mukbangers seem to not have a limit when it comes to food. Also wonder how they don't look sick by the end of it. Anyways, I have the creators linked below, so go and support them too.